would say there's two important changes to note about how air defense systems have worked over time. The first I would just note is that there's more components to it, more layers. So originally, the primary methods that air forces relied on in terms of air defense were fighters and anti-aircraft artillery. Even barrage balloons were part of it in the First and Second World War. In the 1960s, we started to see surface-to-air missiles as part of the missile revolution, the very first sites of these air defenses that were missile-based anti-air missiles. But those were fixed systems. They were constructed essentially fixed to the ground. And it was only, it took about another 10 years or so before we started to see these are put on trucks and made road mobile. And this is the other trend that I think is really important, is the fact that today we have surface-to-air missiles that are mobile. They can move, and they're hard to find, even for the United States. So one of the things that a smart air defender can do is something called shoot and scoot. They'll set up their air defenses, they'll turn them on to shoot, and then as soon as they've attacked their target, they will pack it down and they will move. And often what that means is by the time an adversary responds to where that threat came from, the air defense unit is already left. It's able to survive. And just to put in context how challenging it is to find these, the United States in 1991 conducted something called the Scud Hunt, looking for Saddam Hussein's mobile Scud launchers. These were very problematic, particularly because they were being used to fire into Israel. And the United States conducted an extensive campaign to try to find these Scud trucks. And by its own admission, the U.S. Air Force has said that they are not confident that they found a single one of these Scud launchers.